pretend this is the design that you've created here, right? This is the picture that you created here, okay? And I'll just put a stick figure guy here, right? So this is what you've made in Illustrator. Okay, this is what's on your file there. We want to share this work, but we can't give somebody our computer, right? We if you had to share with two different people, you can't just pass your computer around. So we have to be able to share the file, right? But when Illustrator makes a file, what they do is they use different aspects from different places to make that file. Sometimes the text can be something different that they had to download, right? So therefore, the file needs to get the downloaded file to make the text that you created, right? Maybe they're different colors or pictures. You have colors, pictures, that the file needs to borrow to make the file, right? So all of these different things that the file needs to make the final product that you've created, it all needs to be included in the actual file. So that's why we package it. So when we package it, it takes everything that was used to make up that file and it puts all into that package, right? If you were just to send me just the AI file, but it didn't have any of the packaging things there, when you sent me the file, I would get this. It'll just be a file that's like, I don't know what's supposed to be here. I don't know what's supposed to be there.
Wow.
Because all this information isn't packaged with the file that you're sending me, right? So you would make this, but without packaging it, you would send it to me, and this is what I would see on my computer. So that's why we have to make sure we package it.
Wow.
So that folder, after you did the package, that folder, it showed you all of the different things that were made in the package. It has your AI file here, and it has your info file here, right? And the info file just lets you know, what's the size of the artboard, what's this and that, just your basic things that all AI files have. But sometimes if you have pictures, you would have a picture folder that's in that folder, right? PICTURE, picture. And then, any other things. Fonts, you have a font folder. And what it would do, all the fonts that you downloaded, they would put all in this folder. And all of this would be in your folder, right? That would be your package folder here, okay? So now that you have your package folder, this is what you send the other graphic designers, okay? But unfortunately, you can't send open folders over the email, so you have to zip it, right? So what you would want to do is you want to zip your file by right-clicking it and then, right-clicking the folder and then pressing compress the zip file, and it will zip the file folder for you. It'll pretty much look like a folder that has like a zipper in it. Right? And then that zip folder is what you upload to the Dropbox. Right? So that way, when I download the zip folder that you sent, then I can unlock all of the files that go into the zip folder. Then when I click on the AI file, I can get the actual thing that you looked at when you sent it. And so that's why we package it.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.